Water pollution by
Charlize.
Dima.
Elisa.
Water pollution is the contamination in bodies of water like oceans, lakes, rivers, aquifers, and groundwater, usually caused by human activities. Waters could contain toxic chemicals, sewage, and microorganisms, which makes the water unsafe for human use and disrupts aquatic ecosystems.
What causes water pollution? Non-point source comes from diffuse sources, which means it comes from multiple sources like agriculture, runoff, wind-blown debris, and atmospheric deposition.
Point source: when contaminants enter water from an identifiable source like pipes, drains from a factory, sewage treatment plants, or an oil spill. Stormwater runoff: when rain or snowmelt moves over the ground, it picks up pollutants like fertilizer, oil, pesticides, and soil, and it carries them into bodies of water.
Marine dumping. Trash, mainly plastics, go through sewage systems and harms marine life.
Common pollutants: nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizers can cause algae blooms, causing reduced oxygen levels. Alongside that, pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and parasites enter through sewages to the waters.
Toxic chemicals like heavy metals, pesticides, detergents, and industrial chemicals. Trash and plastics, bottles, bags, and microplastics that don't decompose.
Effects of water pollution.
Dangers to human health:
Unsafe waters can cause diseases like cholera, malaria, and diarrhea.
chemical poisoning like lead and mercury can cause neurological damages, cancer, and reproductive issues.
Skin and respiratory issues. Swimming in contaminated waters can cause infections, and harsh chemicals can cause respiratory issues.
Environmental effects: oxygen depletion. Nutrient pollution creates algae blooms that consumes oxygen, creating dead zones where no aquatic life can survive.
Destruction of habitats. Sediments and oils destroy aquatic habitats, leading to biodiversity loss.
Bioaccumulation. Toxins and microplastics accumulate in fish and marine life, which moves up the food chain, ultimately ending up in humans.
Ocean acidification increases CO2 absorption, makes water more acidic, which harms shell-creating animals because acids break down shells like eggs and vinegar.
The earth. Overall, water pollution is just a small part of our imperfect world. Trying to undo these damages is costly, but if everyone does their part, like use less AI, throw away trash correctly, raise money for organizations that can clean up, and inform others, the earth can start healing. These are our sources. Thank you!